Good morning, everyone. I am Vijay Lakshmi from the Mechanical Department of BGMIT Mudhol. Today, we are conducting the experiment of a experiment in a FEM lab. Experiment number is 8. Simply supported beam subjected to the point load and the couple. Our aim is to obtain the shear force diagram and the bending moment diagram and reaction force at the supports of a rectangular cross section beam having a area of a 0.2 meter into 0.3 meter. The Young's modulus 210 gigapascals. First of all, write down all the given data. The area is a 0.06 meter square. The moment of inertia bhq divided by 12 formula we have given. You have answer, we will get the 0.0045 meter for well. Height of the beam is 0.3 meter. Young's modulus 210 gigapascals. We have to convert into a Newton per meter square. 2.1 into a 10 raised to 11. This is the diagram of our beam. The point A and a B is simply supported, and the point C is acting the Z direction load with 12 kilonewton meter. The point D and a point E is acting the downward direction of a 6 kilonewton in the y direction. We will solve this problem in the answers. Double click on answers. You will get a tool, preference. Click on a structural, OK. Preference, element type, add, delete, add, beam, 2D elastic 3, OK. Close, real constant, add in this we have to add the beam parameters of a area, moment of inertia and the height. This is the area, moment of inertia and height of the beam. Close this one. Now we have to mention the material properties. Material properties in that material models: structural, linear, elasticity, isotropic. 2.1 e raised to 11, putting the Young's modulus value here. This will be a by default, it will be 0. Properties, modeling, create nodes in ActiveCS. Here we will get the 5 nodes for this beam. The first node coordinates are 0, 0, 0. Second node coordinator, it's a x in, it will be move in a x-axis 2 meter. Apply. Third one it will be a 4. Apply. Fourth one it will be a 6. Apply. Fifth one it will be a 8. Okay. Element auto numbered through a node 1 to 2, creating element 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Now we have to apply a load, define a load, apply a load, structural, displacement on node. The first and the fourth points are acting the simply supported. Okay. Then force moment on node. The second node C node is the having a load of a 12 kilonewton in a Z direction. And then node 3 and a 5 means B and a E. These points are having a load of a 6 kilonewton in a FY direction, downward direction. So I am putting here the 6000 minus. Now I am going to solve my problem. Solution, solve, current LS. Solution is done. General prospectus, element table, define a table, add. by sequence number SMISE 2 4 6 close. Then least result, sorry, plot result, counter plot, line element result by taking the SMIS 2 and SMIS 8 6, you will get sorry 2 and 6. Taking the 2 and 8, you will get a shear force, sorry, it's a 2 and 8, you will get a shear force. And by taking the 6 and 12, you will get a bending moment diagram for the beam. In list result, you go for the reaction solution. All items, you will get the reaction solution of y direction. Just you compare with these parameters with your analytical method. Thank you.